Now, for the eagle-eyed amongst you out there in YouTube land that follow us on social media and other platforms, will notice that I put out a post the other day saying, oh look, I've got some new stickers for the car. We're getting serious about overlanding, and I did put out this little post, and there was a bit of interest in these stickers. I'll quickly show you. I don't suppose you can see that yet. Terrain response stickers. This is not going to be for everybody. These ones, I don't know how long they are. I'll have to get the tape measure out in a minute. Now, I thought I'll probably, as we start kitting this Range Rover out with roof rack, probably lights on it. I've got those aux beam lights that Sam sent me. If we do get a roof rack, I might stick those up on the front, get another pair as well. Have some lights on the back here. Potentially rock sliders, underbody protection, all that kind of thing. I quite like the look of these. I've got two in this size, so one for either side of the car. And I've got this little diddy one that I'm going to put on the back window here. We've already got a Ben's Garage sticker over on that side. I'm probably going to have some more Ben's Garage stickers made up with like a YouTube logo and the @Ben's Garage, so people can find us a bit easier. But it's probably not the best day to do it, but I'm gonna clean the windows. I've got a Decape Thermique, which is a hot air gun. I'm gonna warm the windows up and slap these stickers on and see what we think. I think I'm gonna put the bigger one. I don't know whether to put one big one across the back here or on these back side windows. And I might leave, I don't want to put too much on the back window because that's your view out, obviously. But the side windows here, I plan on probably putting stickers on there, you know, from where we've been and places like that. Or things like that. So places like that, we've not been anywhere yet. So I might put these on the bottom. If I don't like them, I can always take them off. Now, people were interested in these and said, oh, I'd be interested in some small ones and this, that and the other. There's a chap that I got in contact with about these, and he can make them for me in various sizes and various colours. At the moment, I don't know prices, but by the time this video goes out, I will hopefully have some prices. All the information for these stickers will be in the description below. Now, whether it pays for him to send them to me in bulk, and then I distribute them out to people that want them, because I can probably get these in an envelope. These long ones, you can fold it between a symbol and they'll go in an envelope. Little ones, piece of cake. And I think an international envelope, as long as it's 20 grams, it's reasonably priced. I've still got to look into it, but all the information will be in the description below because I'll have all the information by the time this video goes out. So I'm going to crack on, clean these windows, heat it up a little bit, and then we'll stick them on, see what we think. But the old Ajax triple action glass cleaner. Going to warm up the glass a bit with this now. About 30 long, about 40 mil high. See what that little one on the back's like. 10 long, by about 15mm high. I might take those ones off. I'm not so sure I like those ones, but I don't mind them on the side. As I say, it's not for everybody. Some people don't like stickers on their car. When we had the TD6, I was slapping anything on that one, and I was keeping this one all nice, but because this is 13 years old now, the paintwork on the roof is, well, the lacquer's going bad on the tailgate here as well. I'm potentially going to take the tailgate off and wrap that, sand it all down and wrap it in a maybe matte carbon or just a something, or maybe even re-lacquer it, I don't know, because I can see that from down here. I can't see the roof, and once I get a roof rack on it, we're not going to see that either. So you know, yeah, so I don't mind these little stickers, and there probably will be more appearing on the car as we progress. That's going to be about it for this video. So all the information will be in the description below, and we'll see if we can work something out if anyone's interested. As I say, not for everybody, but I like them. Right, catch you in the next video. Bye for now.